Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to fix the issue of Wi-Fi not showing up on your PC. In this video we will be fixing the issue by disabling and then re-enabling the Wi-Fi adapter. So first step is right click on this Wi-Fi icon and go to Network and Internet Settings. Now Advanced Network Settings. Now just disable this Wi-Fi. Yes. Now again enable it. Now check if your Wi-Fi is working or not. That's it. We hope that video was helpful in fixing the issue of Wi-Fi not showing up on your PC. If you still have any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance. Thank you for watching and have a great day.